welcome back. Now for all of you horror toy collectors, I picked up something this week I was very excited to find and watched for it to be released, and when it did I went looking for it. If you're a big fan of the Nightmare on Elm Street series and collect the Freddy toys, you need to get this for your collection. It is the Freddy Furnace Diorama, the Bloody Furnace, and it was released by NECA. Just came out this week, and it goes for about $40. I'll pull it out here and show you. This thing is quite a piece of work. It's quite, you can see all the cool rusty pipes, and set up your Freddy display perfectly. Now it's got a kind of a cool little feature. See, the door opens and closes, and then I'll show you something really cool. So on the bottom here is a switch, and it lights up. See the flame inside? That's pretty sweet. Now I don't actually have any Freddy figures to go with it at this moment, but I do have somebody who likes to hang out in dark dungeons. Little mankind feels right at home hanging out in the dark spaces of the world. So tell me what you think of this. I paid $40 for it, but I think it's a pretty good buy. It's a pretty sweet figure, a sweet addition to put in your dioramas or whatever. So I'm going to do some more horror toys in the future, so stay tuned.